let's run the circuit again. That is now a large load being switched by a power transistor. The first transistor is switching the second transistor. There is a slight problem though with the motor. When I turn the power off, the motor is still running. It's now running full speed. It's slowing down. When you remove the power from a motor, it becomes something else. Anybody know what it becomes? Go on. It becomes a dynamo. It becomes a generator. It generates its own electricity. So if you power a motor up, remove the power, it's still continuing, and because it's turning, it's acting as a generator or a dynamo. The problem is the current is going backwards. That diode there only allows current to flow that way. So when we're running the circuit, any back current generated by that is being taken away from the transistor. It's going back that way. If I hadn't got that there, because I've got indestructible components, but you can try this yourself, if you make the components destructible, if I haven't got that there, I would try it, but I think it's not liable to do what I want it to do. No, I've got indestructible components on, I'm not going to turn them off. If that's not there, the motor can generate sufficient current going the wrong way through a transistor. So all motors act as a dynamo. What's the importance of that, you as a designer? If you're designing a circuit with a motor in, you've got to make sure the motor can't destroy the circuitry. So I had a diode there, which I shall reload. Yes. That resistor is also protecting. When you put a motor on suddenly, it draws a big load. That big load is sufficient to destroy the transistor. So that resistor protects. And make it almost nothing. Now I've turned the indestructible components, so I'm not going to turn them back on. Try for yourself making that either nothing or very small. Remove that and you will blow your transistor up. Try that for yourself. Right, I want to move on now to what I'd like you to do for yourself between now and next session. I'm going to play around with that circuit.